Hi ma'am, Kepax Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari ngasi aina share tawzari ba video se handak aina season ba aduga enjoy tawa hand creams ahum khak share tawzabane aigi channel sida already hand cream da dedicated oiba video ama yaujakhrabane. Please check that out. Ai makhagi video description da hapcharake. Yam general oina yengbada hand creams haibase we tend to overlook, but sometimes it's nice to indulge in a hand cream, especially hojikti khudyam hambagi kainola abanina. Ahanbada aina share tawzariba product se Sen Botanica gi vitamin C hand and nail cream ne. Sigi product se ngasi gi video sida only hand and nail cream ne, atay ani sidi hand cream ngata ne. First of all, Siki product say aigi wakaldadi it has a very strong smell, almost akogi sing hadi ginger do adugi smell do adudumala. So I don't really use this at night. Daytime dadi I think it's good because vitamin C yawanina it will help in the sun protection. Hadi sigi mathakta sunscreen na mahap targadi it will give that extra bonus. Sigi product say sigi another issue for me masis maina akogi thau yawagi saruk tas main tawbase so use tawdrikanda magi tube se shake taw targadi sigi oil ga magi product siga separate tawbagi se watle. So I would suggest if you are going to use this masis shake tawraga use tawbuda aduduna hena nungai bane. Overall, Sigi hand cream say it's a very nice product actually. Mase yam moisturizing oil and then it has good ingredients. Aduga akogi hand say yam hydrated, moisturized and yam soft and supple oil. If you don't mind the smell, I think this is a very nice product, especially it has very good ingredients like vitamin C. Aduga mase nail gisu oina seasonaba yabanina. Next, I product say Dove ki hand cream ne with coconut and almond milk. First of all, Sigi product say it has a very pleasant coconut smell. Sigi product say it has some good ingredients like glycerine, dimethicone, adugo stearic acid suyawe. Sigi product say this is a very nice product. Mase fazana moisturization level do adudo yam fazana piye. Aduga akogi skin say soft and supple ohele. Sigi product say damp oil skin na taibana hen nungaye. Kaigumba Sigi product say nungdang da tayra tumgi tarde ayukta we have very soft hands, so I really like using this product at night. Honestly, Sigi Dove ki hand cream say I don't actually have a negative thing. I really enjoy using this product. Next, I product say Forest Essentials ki ultra rich body lotion ne. Forest Essentials have a company say Ayurveda based oiba kitang luxurious oiba duga high end oiba company ne. Sigi product say it's actually a body lotion, but sometimes it's nice to use as a hand cream because mase moisturization phazana pibanina. Forest Essential gi Sigi lotion say it has some good ingredients. Vitamin E, neem leaf extract, beeswax, aduga atopa plant-based oils karasu yawe. Sigi products say it's quite expensive. Aduga magi laiba bottle sisu it's a little inconvenient for me to use. Other than that, mase vanilla oiba gi smell do adudo kitang yawe. Aduga magi consistency sina kitang akoy thick oiba lotion but asai gi gel gi type da lotion da tawdo adudi tawde. It's very nice to use. Masu moisturization and hydration phazana piye. But I experienced the thing asai gi Dove ki hand cream do aduna piba moisturization duga sisiga di Dove ki duna kitang hena soft and supple ohele. Sigi sisu nungaye. I think maybe yam dry oiba skin da this might not be enough. Aduna normal to oily skin da this might suit well. Aduga dry oiba skin da I think Dove ki duna hena chanagadra na khale. Ngasi kidi celebration jarage kitang ten ba video ne. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.